I want you to think back to the first time you learned how to ride your bike, or maybe your first time snowboarding, or maybe the first time you launched your business and had to pitch to a prospective client. Was it hard for you? Maybe somewhat awkward and maybe even painful? Yes, it has been for me. I learned this about the first time being super challenging when I launched my very first online workshop to help business owners get on camera to create a deeper connection with their audience members. My business and productivity coach, Chelsea Wessman, wise woman, warned me of this. She said the first time is going to be super rough. And it was. Even knowing this, it was really hard. All the hours I put into creating social media posts and writing the emails and creating the registration page was so challenging on me. But after that first time, I'm on the other side of it and I feel that much more confident that I did it and I can do it again. So if you're launching your course or a book for the first time, you're getting on video for the first time, you're probably feeling very vulnerable and awkward. Know that it will feel this way. And the second, third, fourth, fifth time will get that much easier. You'll feel that much more confident and proud of yourself.